Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by CBS19 Plus. It's the place where we can give you a more in-depth forecast, go a little more in detail as to what's going to happen over the next coming days. That's because we can do a longer formatted weather here at CBS19 Plus. On TV, we have a few minutes to do that, but here we can give you a little deeper explanation and go over some more cities. For instance, talking about tonight's lows. Upper 60s up at Clarksville, low 70s at Pittsburgh, out in Cass County, lower 70s around Linden. Once we drop down to the south, Marion, Harrison County, we're looking at temperatures also right around 72 to 73. Longview, for instance, at 73. That means Kilgore or City would also be around 73. Gilmer, 72. Winsboro, likely 72. Mineola, 71. Smith County, Tyler, 72. That would include White House, Flint, Troop, places like that. Jacksonville, Alto, Rusk down to 74. Palestine down to 73. Over Deep East Texas, we're talking about temperatures in the mid-70s. Nacogdoches at 73 and Lufkin at 75. A little farther south towards Zavala, probably the same, about 75 degrees over in Hemphill, 73 for the overnight low. Groveton down to 72. Tomorrow, just out to the west, once again, we've got Henderson County and an air quality alert. That means unhealthy for sensitive groups. We had one on Wednesday. We'll have another air quality alert for Thursday. Allergy index, grass pollen low today, and the mold spores also on the low count as we head into Wednesday night and into Thursday. Speaking of Thursday, it's going to be a little warmer and more cloud cover and also a chance for some isolated showers. Though, as you see here on our hour-by-hour forecast for Thursday, we start off at 83 at 9 a.m. Our lunchtime temperatures into the lower 90s, and our mid-afternoon temperature with a mix of sun and clouds is up to 95 degrees. Also a little breezier once we make it into tomorrow afternoon. That will continue into Friday. All right, let's break down the high temperatures for you across the area. Sulphur Springs could be as warm as 97 degrees. Pittsburgh and Camp, Morris County, and also Titus County could be around 96 degrees. Down in Rusk County, 95 at Henderson. Notice a little isolated thunderstorm possibility here in southeastern parts of Smith County into northern parts of Cherokee County. Partly cloudy out at Palestine. Isolated thunderstorm would also be possible over in parts of Harrison and Panola County. Shelby County, maybe an isolated shower. San Augustine County, isolated shower, thunderstorm. Trinity and Houston County, also a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms into southern Cherokee County as high temperatures make it into the lower 90s. This is why we've got that chance for scattered showers tomorrow. There's an upper low that will be spinning, and it's taking a little more of an easterly track than what we'd like to see, at least in our in-house computer model. It's lifting it right up the Louisiana-Texas coast or border, and that means the heaviest rain would stay over on the Louisiana side if it takes this track. There are still several other pieces of data that have it about 50 miles west, and that makes all the difference when it comes to the amount of rain that we would see. By Friday evening, we're looking at scattered showers again, pinwheeling their way north and eastward with just a few showers on the Texas side, with more and heavier over in Louisiana. Again, a shift in this path would mean all the difference in the amounts of rain. And it would mean all the difference in the Rose City Airfest forecast. 2 p.m. Friday, the gates open, 88 degrees. The aircraft exhibit is at 4 o'clock, 88 degrees. The air show begins at 6 o'clock, 87. Going by the current trends, I think we're going to be fine for the air show with that temperature right around 87 degrees. And the current rainfall forecast sort of reflects that track. Remember, if you were watching yesterday, the heaviest rain was out here from Palestine to Tyler up toward Gilmer. Now it's shifted to the south and to the southeast. So the consensus thinking here is that a lot of this heavier rainfall is going to stay over Deep East Texas from Shelby County, Nacogdoches County, Angelina County, back toward Houston and Trinity County. Love to see this come a little farther to the north. Just not sure that's going to happen. Let's break down the next 7 days for you, next 2 days. So that would be Wednesday, Thursday. You've got just little bits of rain, maybe 1/100 of an inch, maybe 1/10 of an inch. Once we get into Thursday and Friday, now we're starting to add up the rain, especially Friday from Crockett to Lufkin, Nacogdoches toward center over toward Hemphill. And then over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday particularly, that's when we see more and better rain chances coming into Smith County, up into Upshur County, Camp and Morris County, and then off to the northeast. And you also have the heavier rains, the totals already in place over Deep East Texas. So our 7-day total then would look like something like this. Again, most of that falling Friday into Saturday. All right, current burn bans in Texas just added today. Upshur County and Wood County now, I should say. Wood County just added today. And so only Smith, Gregg, Rusk, Nacogdoches, and San Augustine counties are not under a burn ban at this time. And then up to the north, I think Camp Morris and Titus County are also free of any burn bans. This is the system that we think will bring us some rain, at least in parts of East Texas. It has a 40% chance of becoming a named storm, and that's not a great chance. But that energy is there. There's another system out here in the central Atlantic. This system is forecast to move really into the Caribbean Sea in the next 5 days, has a 20% chance of becoming something. We will see if it can become more than what it is right now. If we do get another named storm, it would be Bonnie. Right now, the season has started rather slow. Just Alex at this point, and we've got a long way to go through hurricane season. Of course, it goes all the way to the end of November. Let's talk about travel. It's going to be a busy travel weekend as we head into the holiday weekend, right? So later in the week, many folks leaving tomorrow. If you're headed toward Destin, there's a chance for a few scattered showers. Temperatures in New Orleans tomorrow morning around 79 degrees. Going into Thursday afternoon, boy, onshore flow here. You got a lot of scattered showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast, including East Texas. This is one of these pieces of data that has more rain than our in-house computer model. Monsoon flow into the Rockies, rain there. Great Lakes look fantastic. Friday, little strip of rain here with a weak front. Scattered showers in the Rockies. If you're headed to camping out in Colorado, think about taking some rain gear. Very wet here in the southeast from Atlanta, New Orleans over toward Memphis with temperatures in the lower 80s. Saturday afternoon, we've got chances for showers and thunderstorms scattered around again. Sunday morning, we wake up with some rain in the central plains, dry here across the southern plains in Texas, dry down to the east. And then look at that. That monsoon flow kicks in again all the way up into Colorado with some moisture coming in from the Pacific into parts of Wyoming. So quite rainy Sunday afternoon. And then as we head toward the holiday and the 4th of July, it looks like things will get a little better. So scattered thunderstorms tomorrow with a high of 94. Afternoon or evening thunderstorms Friday with a high of only 90. Scattered thunderstorms Saturday, 90. And Sunday, can't rule out a thunderstorm, but for the most part, it's partly cloudy and rather dry. Then Monday, 4th of July, 97 degrees. And look how it starts to warm up here Tuesday. We're up to around 99 degrees for Tuesday. Back to triple digits perhaps by Wednesday, and those morning lows are also starting to warm up. 77 Monday morning, 77 Tuesday morning, and almost 80 degrees for an overnight low Wednesday morning. So enjoy the next couple of days. Hopefully we get some rain out of that. Certainly would keep some more counties from being added to the burn bans. But otherwise, if we can get just some scattered showers, cloud cover could keep us around 90 on Friday and Saturday, and that would certainly be good news. Well, thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Keep checking back for more updates, and have a safe night.